Are you comfy, baby? I heard this movie's supposed to be like a genius art. Like I bet we will enjoy it. So I'm curious. Let's see. I'm sorry. I just the whole day like my nose bugging me and I just can't get this sneeze like through my nose. It's just everything feels like heavy and I'm just oh, sorry. Oh, babe, I'm so sorry. I swear, I'm quiet now. Oh, oh my god. You know what? Let me. Oh, I'm sorry. I feel like this would take forever. And you know what? What if you rather help me to get the sneeze out so we are over it and we can watch? How can we do it? Um, you know what? I have here this. That could maybe help, right? What do you think? But I will be so thankful if you can help me because this is crazy. So can you do it for me, babe? Please. Thank you. I think if it's you who tickle my nose, it's like, it will work a little better. So let's try. Just be careful, okay? No, we're not. This is not yet. I don't know why, but the feather doesn't work today. Try again. No, I'm sorry. I lost it. Can you do it again? No, I also have a Q-tip. You think it would be better? No? I know. You know what? What about that perfume? One of yours that always make me like super tingly nose. Maybe that can help me sneeze. Can you just grab it and spray it for me? Like right in front of me, Okay, just spray it in the air, Yeah, this this cologne is good only for sneezing. Oh yeah, this will finally do. I feel it. I'm gonna give me a tissue. Tissue, 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 tissue. Oh my, tissue. I'm sorry. It's tissue, 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 tissue. I'm sorry, babe. It's all over you. Oh, I didn't grab the tissue in time. I'm sorry. Oh. Oh my god, I see it all over you. I still feel like there is more. Oh. No. Maybe now we can finally watch the movie. Okay, let's watch it. Jesus. Wow. Can't even open my eyes. Ugh. Come on. Oh my god.